What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on graphs. So if you are interested about the exact entries and about the exact trades that I'm planning to take on this coin, because in my opinion it's only a matter of time until we will break the current all-time high on this coin and we will go into a price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any important resistances, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a big pump. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take, definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today. On a 15-minute chart, you can see this coin was launched few days ago on a multiple exchanges, and from the launch we are already up around like 94%. And in my opinion, if certain conditions are met, as I said, this can be another coin that you can use as a potential buying opportunity. First potential long trade that I'm watching here is, as I said, on a 15-minute chart, and I'm watching here this bullish order block. And if we are gonna retest this area, there will be a liquidity grab with a support confirmation, then you can open here a long trade. Because we are on a 15-minute chart, then definitely don't forget to use proper risk management, and this will be more likely a scalp trade because volatility on this coin is really insane. Last take profit target. In this case, you want to place into a price discovery phase because, as I said, once we will break the current all-time high, historically we don't have here any interesting supports or resistances, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. Stop loss in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and entry, as I said, in this bullish order block after a support confirmation. This bullish order block, I forgot to say, is between levels 1.039 and 1.02. And in this trade it is also important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under this current all-time high. Let's say take around like 30% of an entire trade under the current all-time high, because we also have here like $1 mark, which will be on the way up, important psychological resistance. Then some of the levels, for example, under level 1.2, 1.3, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio, like 10.5, but of course you can adjust your last take profit target. If you think this coin is gonna go higher, you can definitely place your last take profit higher. But from a risk reward ratio 10.5, the risk reward ratio, if you will take that many multiple take profit targets, will be like 6, 7, something like that, which is in my opinion really good. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, then definitely check out the links in the description, because you can join my trading Discord group where I am sharing all of the types of analysis. So as I said, link to join is in the description or in the comments. Another potential trade that you can take will be valid in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation. You can see that the current all-time high is on the level 1.1565 approximately. So if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, this can be a decent trade to a long trade, but be really careful with a potential stop loss, because you want to have here a good risk reward ratio. So the stop loss should be, let's say, less than 4% of a net market. And of course, you wanna speculate for risk reward ratio around 10, which I'm always doing if I'm trading price discovery phase, because as I said, coin can pump really easily in these levels. Your last take profit target, you should then place, let's say, around the level 1.6 to have that standard risk reward ratio. And again, you want to take multiple take profit targets. If you are trading only price discovery phase, you need to use, let's say, psychological resistances as your take profit targets. So some of the profit you definitely want to take under like 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and then you want to save something to the last take profit target. So again, from the risk reward ratio 10 something, the risk reward ratio then will be like 6, 7, which is another really wonderful setup. Maybe you are asking if right now there is like a good opportunity to buy this coin to your long-term portfolio. But the problem is that if you want to buy any coin to your long-term portfolio, then you always need to do a fundamental, not technical analysis. So if you want to trade here some trading positions, then definitely you can use these setups that I showed you in today's video. I think both of the trades are having really amazing probability of a success, even better risk reward ratio. And yeah, I simply think that these two trades, if these conditions that I talked about will be met, then these trades can be really great. But if you want to create here some long-term long position, then as I said, you need to do fundamental analysis on this coin. And for a small altcoin like this with a small market cap, you should definitely risk small amount of your long-term capital. I think definitely not more than, for example, 2-3%, because if this coin is gonna go like 50, 100x, then your portfolio is gonna go up again really heavily. But if this coin is gonna go down, which is still higher probability, because like a lot of the altcoins are listed like every single day on a multiple exchanges, and like 90% of them will result in like 90 or more percent loss. So with the coins like this, you always need to secure your capital. So these are actually the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. Of course, if you want, you can use these lower bullish order blocks on a 50-minute. These are between levels like 0.9732 to like 0.8902. So for this order block to be reached, there needs to be a drop around like 11 to like 20% of a net market, which I think is definitely doable. But with these order blocks, you are not having here like really good liquidity grab. Perhaps with this last, so if there will be breakdown with a support confirmation in this bullish order block, you can use it as a potential long entry. But don't forget that on a 15-minute chart, these alt trades should be a scalp trade. And once you are taking some of the profits, then you want to move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. If we are gonna switch to a 4-hour chart or like to a 1-hour chart, you can see we don't have here almost any price action. As I told you, this coin was launched a few days ago on a multiple exchanges. So if there will be any new interesting trading setups, I will definitely let you know via maybe YouTube video or definitely in my Discord trading group. So if you want to join, it's completely free. I'm sharing there all of the cryptos and all of the setups that I'm currently watching. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And I will see you in my next video. See ya.